water crisis that has been peaking in the national capital, and along with it, politics has also been peaking in Delhi. The AAP BJP tirade, they have traded barbs, and that tirade continues. BJP's Bansuri Swaraj has now attacked the Aam Aadmi Party. She said the water crisis is not a political one but a humanitarian one, and the Aam Aadmi Party is incompetent and is hiding its own failures. The Delhi Jal Board is in massive debt under the Raj of Aam Aadmi Party. That's what Bansuri Swaraj has said.
तो कह रही हूँ, मैंने आपको एक उदाहरण दिया जीके का। जीके वाला मुद्दा मैंने स्वयं उठाया था। 8 तारीख को दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के संज्ञान में डाला। अधिकारियों ने 9 जून को उसको फिक्स कर दिया। इसका मतलब है ये जो अधिकारियों पे दोषारोपण करते हैं ये भी सरासर गलत है। मैं आपको ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, ये अगर अपनी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस से बाहर निकलेंगे तभी तो देखेंगे ना कि दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की क्या चरमराती हुई अस्त व्यवस्था हो रखी है। और केवल निजामुद्दीन ही नहीं, केवल जीके ही नहीं, आप पूरे के पूरे दिल्ली में चले जाइए, आप देखेंगे दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के प्रत्येक पाइप में आपको लीकेजेस मिलेंगी।
All right, so the political war of words continues even as Delhiites grapple with severe water crisis in this intense heat wave. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP have been trading barbs at each other, along with the Aam Aadmi Party accusing the Haryana government as well as the Himachal Pradesh government of not sending in enough water to Delhi. Now, even as this water crisis has escalated, let me go across to my colleague Mohit, who's getting us more details on this. Mohit, the political war of words continues even as Delhiites suffer through this water crisis. What's the latest that you're picking up?
Well, yes, in fact, Delhi is really under severe water crisis, and we know that how the Aam Aadmi Party has also gone to the Supreme Court. They have stated that they want adequate water to be released from Haryana, but Haryana is not releasing it. We saw that how the BJP is attacking the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that the Aam Aadmi Party is in hand in glove with the tanker mafia, and perhaps that is why that the water that is available in Delhi, and the BJP says that there is no water scarcity in Delhi. In fact, all the water that belongs to people of Delhi is being taken over by the tanker mafia because the Aam Aadmi Party is in hand in glove. They're not taking any action, and that is why people of Delhi are suffering. So the BJP says that because it's lack of will of the Delhi government, it's because they are in hand in glove with the tanker mafia. The people of Delhi are not getting water. Now we also know that how the LG has also written to the Delhi Minister Atishi, where the LG clearly stated that take action against the water mafia because they are stealing Delhi's water, to which basically the LG stated that you file a complaint with the police regarding the tanker mafia. I'll ensure the action would be taken. To which RCC stated that the tanker mafia is not the core issue. The issue is about that how the water should be sent from Haryana to Delhi because Haryana is not sending the adequate water, and then the Aam Aadmi Party went to the court. Now the court also asked that what action has been taken against the shortage of water, what action has been taken against the tanker mafia. And today the Delhi BJP addressed a press conference saying that they have filed a complaint with the Delhi police regarding the tanker mafia. We know that at the Munnak Canal near the Bamana, the police is now patrolling after the orders from the LG that there should be no theft of the water that belongs to Delhi. But we see massive politics being played. Aam Aadmi Party says that the Haryana is not releasing the water. The BJP is trying to politicize it, while the BJP says that adequate steps have not been taken by the Aam Aadmi Party to stop wastage of water. And the bigger allegation is that Aam Aadmi Party is hand in glove with the tanker mafia and express, and that is why they're not taking any action against them. In some time from now, Atishi will be addressing a press conference. We have to wait and watch what exactly they have to reply on what the BJP has said.
Okay.
Back to you.
All right, Mohit, you keep a close watch on that. We'll keep coming back to you for the latest. Thank you very much for joining us at the moment and sharing with us all those details. In fact, Mohit was talking about Delhi Minister Atishi. This water crisis has escalated, and Atishi met Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in Tihar today. Remember, she's the Delhi Water Minister, and Arvind Kejriwal has said that there shouldn't be any water shortage and that MLAs must resolve the water shortage issue. That's what the Delhi Chief Minister has said while being in Tihar jail.
देखिए, आज मैं दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी, जो एक केंद्र सरकार द्वारा एक झूठे केस में फंसाए गए हैं और उसकी वजह से आज तिहाड़ जेल में हैं, और जैसे ही मैं उनसे मिलने गई, उन्होंने सबसे पहले बिजली के बारे में और खासकर पानी के बारे में ये पूछा कि उन्होंने कहा कि उन्होंने टीवी पर देखा है कि किस तरह पानी की कमी चल रही है, कि किस तरह से दिल्ली के लोग परेशान हैं। उन्होंने मुझे क्लियर डायरेक्शंस दी हैं कि जो भी कदम उठाने की ज़रूरत है वो जल्द से जल्द उठाए जाएं। उन्होंने ये भी कहा है कि सभी एमएलएज़ को डायरेक्शन दी है उन्होंने कि सभी एमएलएज़ ग्राउंड पर जाएं, पब्लिक के बीच में रहें, और जहाँ जहाँ पे भी वो जिस प्रकार से पानी पहुँचवाने में मदद कर सकते हैं, सारे एमएलएज़ को ग्राउंड पर रहना है।
All right, let me go across to my colleague Nikhil for more on this. Nikhil, Atishi meeting Delhi Chief Minister at Tihar and saying that he's concerned about this water crisis. Any leads on what the Aam Aadmi Party is planning in Delhi now to deal with this water shortage?
Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government, they have given directions to the officials of the Delhi Jal Board that not even a single drop of the water coming in from the side of Haryana should be wasted, because this is that time of the year when the temperatures are already high and the people on the other side are facing the shortage of water. So the directions which were required for long, they have been given in now. And also, apart from the same, the complaint was filed to Delhi Police, and the people have also met Delhi Police Commissioner in this regard. Yesterday, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva, he held a meeting with Commissioner, informed him about the same as to how the tanker mafias are stealing the water meant for Delhi. And there was this letter which was also written to Delhi Police Commissioner Sanjay Arora by Delhi LG V.K. Saxena late yesterday evening, informing about the same and asking IPS Sanjay Arora to take strict action against those tanker mafia who are stealing the water. So today what we have seen that at the Monarch Canal area, which is the border point from where the water enters in the capital city, the staff of the Delhi Police, they have been deployed there, persons are deployed there. So there is this check is what we can say is being done from the side of the Delhi Police. But we need to see as to how only the Delhi government in particular going to fix all those pipelines which are reportedly making the water wasted, and also a lot of pilferage is something which is being reported from parts of the capital city because of the same.
Water crisis that has been peaking in the national capital, and along with it, politics has also been peaking in Delhi. The AAP BJP tirade, they have traded barbs, and that tirade continues. BJP's Bansuri Swaraj has now attacked the Aam Aadmi Party. She said the water crisis is not a political one but a humanitarian one, and the Aam Aadmi Party is incompetent and is hiding its own failures. The Delhi Jal Board is in massive debt under the Raj of Aam Aadmi Party. That's what Bansuri Swaraj has said.
तो कह रही हूँ, मैंने आपको एक उदाहरण दिया जीके का। जीके वाला मुद्दा मैंने स्वयं उठाया था। 8 तारीख को दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के संज्ञान में डाला। अधिकारियों ने 9 जून को उसको फिक्स कर दिया। इसका मतलब है ये जो अधिकारियों पे दोषारोपण करते हैं, ये भी सरासर गलत है। मैं आपको ये पूछना चाहती हूँ, ये अगर अपनी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंसेस से बाहर निकलेंगे तभी तो देखेंगे ना कि दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की क्या चरमराती हुई अस्त व्यवस्था हो रखी है। और केवल निजामुद्दीन ही नहीं, केवल जीके ही नहीं, आप पूरे के पूरे दिल्ली में चले जाइए, आप देखेंगे दिल्ली जल बोर्ड के प्रत्येक पाइप में आपको लीकेजेस मिलेंगी।